Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will go through 2019 April SAT exam section 4, question 31. So in this question, you may pause and read the question first. If you have read it, then let's keep going. It says Anna was 99 centimeters tall the day she turned 3 years old. Okay, now to keep our data organized, let's set up a table quickly. So this is the height, the age, and then we have the height on the right. So when she is 3 years old, she is 99 centimeters. And then she was 106.5 centimeters tall the day she turned 4 years old. Okay? So if Anna's height increases by the same amount each year, between the ages of 2 and 8, how many centimeters tall will she be the day she turns 7 years old? Now, there are two ways to do this, and I would tell you which way I prefer, and I will show you my preferred way. So the first method is that if you have two sets of data, that means you can set up a graph-ish kind of stuff. So this is the height, and you know it's going to be a linear graph, and you can figure out the equation. You can figure out the equation so that you can plug in the age, and then you're like, all right, so you can tell at age 7 what will be the height. Okay, now, but that's not my preferred method because it's going to take you a little bit more time. So since you have a calculator, what is really easy to do is, well, let's go ahead find the difference between these two numbers, which is 7.5 centimeters. And since you are going to have a few more years here, so we go from age 4 to 5, 5 to 6. So you think about, all right, there's a number right here. You're going to add 7.5 from 106.5 once, and then you are going to add 7.5 again to get to the what is it called? The age 6 height, and then you will add another 7.5 to the age 6 height, then you will get the age 7 value. Okay, so that means all together you are going to add 7.5 3 times. Well, what is 7.5 times 3? If you use a calculator or if you can do it in your head, that is equal to 22.5. Okay, centimeters. So from 4 years old to 7 years old, Anna grew a total of 22.5 centimeters. And if you do your quick math, 106.5 plus 22.5 is equal to 129.0 centimeters. And that will be our answer. 129 is the answer. 129. Okay, so that would be our answer. So that would be my preferred method because it's a lot faster, it's simpler. Just make sure that you know how to go from the age 4 height to the height at 5 years old, to 6 years old, and then 7 years old. Since it says that the height increase is going to be the same each year from 2 to 8 years old. So that's how easily you can solve this problem without creating an equation, without worrying about if the equation is valid or making careless mistakes. So this one, you can simply figure it out, and it's very simple and straightforward.
Do you want some extra credit? If you do, subscribe our channel. I promise you will learn a lot more and get extra credit from that. If you have any question, please make sure that you email us at goodacademics@gmail.com. If you have any question in math, science, or education, just send them in and we will do our very best to resolve your problems. And I thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you will continue to learn a lot more through our channel. See you soon.